A pot? Candy thermometer? Sugar? Corn syrup? Tiny overpriced, not so flavorful bottles of flavoring? Food coloring? Silicone molds? Are you about to try and make some holiday hard candy? Is that a good candy thermometer? Otherwise it's gonna burn every time.
So I'm wondering, is it already burnt again?
It's burned.
What if I told you for less than the price of those tiny overpriced, not so flavorful bottles of flavoring, you could buy a bag of Jolly Ranchers and melt them in the microwave? Jolly Ranchers melted in the microwave is the fun, easy way to make custom holiday candies. Simply unwrap a few Jolly Ranchers and place them in a bowl. Put the bowl in a microwave and using scientific molecule exciting physics, they will become molten in less than a minute. Watch it closely, and when it starts to bubble, take it out and give them a good stir. Let the bubbles settle down and quickly spoon them into a mold. And once cooled, look at that! You got a stacking brick Jolly Rancher. Wow, so you melted a Jolly Rancher to make a slightly bigger, bumpier Jolly Rancher. Fine, smart guy! Look at these then! Puzzle piece Jolly Ranchers that actually fit together. Whoa. See, Jolly Ranchers melted in a microwave works with all your favorite molds. Store-bought molds, homemade silicone molds, vacuum form molds. You could even use those molds from your old Creepy Crawlers toy. Creepy Crawlers? Wouldn't those make more sense in gummy? Gummy? Trying to tell me how to do my job. Give me those. Yes, we also have gummy bears melted in a microwave, which works exactly the same way. But interestingly, where the Jolly Rancher is seemingly unaffected by the process in texture and taste, gummy tends to not only be far more gooey after being melted, its flavor seems to get concentrated and amplified. Can we get back to Jolly Ranchers now? Cleanup is easy, just dunk in some water and let it soak. Can't find a Jolly Rancher in the right color? Use pineapple and add some food coloring. Mix multiple Jolly Ranchers for some crazy flavor combinations. Tastes like brown. I have no idea what that tastes like. There's too many fruits. You can even try drawing freehand. Nailed it. Let me guess, it's abstract. You can even save a step by melting the Jolly Rancher right in the mold. I don't really know how well this part will work. Wait, that's the metal mold! I'm tired.